Everybody, this is Attorney Sharp Raleigh, and now I am going to talk about something which just came up. I just noticed there's a mistake on the visa bulletin for March, which is bringing you to the February visa bulletin. So if you type visa bulletin on the Google situation, Google search engine, you click on visa bulletin, and as you can see here is March, but when you click on it, it's not giving people March, it's giving the visa bulletin for February. It's very important. You see, this is February here that is opening, and it's kind of creating confusion. A few of my clients called me and basically was telling me, okay, last time I saw a different date for March, and now I'm seeing a different date for March, but that's not the, it's just a mistake. It's basically going on the wrong on the wrong link probably. But what you should do if you want the real visa bulletin, what you're doing here, you just go on Google and then you type March 2016 visa bulletin. Then you will see here that the March will open, and it's very different because this is March. And as you can see here, for example, if you go on let's take a one example, because we work a lot with employment base. So you take for India, for example, it's October 2008 15, but the February one says here EB2 is August 2008 India. So as you can see, this is actually the link that is being supplied on the travel.state.gov is not right. It's opening the February visa bulletin, so check it properly, and hopefully there's no mistake that will be coming up. They will probably correct that soon, because anyway the April visa bulletin should come out. And also, as you know, now the visa bulletin is divided in two parts. One part is basically the acceptance date, and one part is actually the real processing date. So don't confuse the two. What is the acceptance date is this is the processing date. That means basically this is when you're going to expect to get your green card. That means if your date falls into that, for example, that means you get the green card is going to be issued, unless of course there is an issue of security check or some other issues on your I-45. But this is the date where they will accept. For basically for India, for example, here you can see still July 2009, and that means they will still be accepting cases as long as the priority date is there, is July 2009. And if you're in the United States, you benefit from the adjustment of status. You can get a work permit. That's what people are calling the EAD. It's not really it's not an EAD based on the I-140. It's a EAD based on an adjustment of status, and don't confuse the two. So I just wanted to point out that to everybody. There's a mistake. Like I said, if I'll go back to here, if you click again on March 2016, look what it is opening, February 2016. So some people are ignoring that and looking on the bottom, and they are seeing different dates. So just to let people know about this. So I just wanted to point out, hopefully it will be corrected. It's just probably an error on the system, so don't panic. There's no big problem, except you might wrongfully relied on the wrong visa bulletin. So good luck to you, and hopefully we will see a good visa bulletin coming up soon. And until then, if you need any help with your H1B or filing for your green card, please give us a call, 510-742-5887. And anything I told you today is for educational purposes only. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. Call us if you have any questions, 510-742-5887.